Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something special for you. We're going to share 10 simple and effective money saving hacks that will transform the way you think about your finances. So, let's jump right in. Hacks to save more money. Hack 1. Create a budget. Create a budget. One of the most crucial steps towards saving money is creating a budget. Start by listing all your income sources and fixed expenses like rent, bills, and loan payments. Allocate a certain amount towards variable expenses such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. By tracking your expenses diligently, you'll have a clear understanding of where your money is going and where you can cut back. Automate savings. Automating your savings can do wonders for your financial well-being. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck to a separate savings account. By doing this, you'll prioritize saving and won't be tempted to spend the money before it has a chance to grow. This hack ensures consistent savings and helps you reach your saving goals faster. Embrace second-hand shopping. Consider embracing second-hand shopping when looking for clothes, furniture, or electronics. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces offer great deals on used items that are still in good condition. By buying second-hand, you'll not only save money but also contribute to reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Pack your lunch. Eating out for lunch every day can quickly add up, draining your wallet without you realizing it. A simple yet effective hack is to start packing your lunch. By preparing your meals at home, you can control the ingredients, portion sizes, and save a significant amount of money in the long run. Plus, it's usually healthier. Cancel unused subscriptions. Take a close look at your bank statements and identify any subscriptions or memberships that you no longer use or need. Canceling these unused services can free up your budget and save you a substantial amount of money. It's an easy hack that can make a big difference in your monthly expenses. Comparison shopping. Before making a purchase, it's always wise to compare prices. Look for deals, discounts, or sales both online and offline. With a little patience and research, you can often find the same item for a lower price. This simple hack allows you to get the best value for your money without compromising on quality. Energy saving tips. Reducing your energy consumption not only benefits the environment but also your wallet. Embrace energy saving habits such as turning off lights when not in use, using natural light during the day, taking shorter showers, and insulating your home. These hacks can significantly lower your utility bills and contribute to a greener planet. Plan ahead and shop smart. Planning your purchases and shopping smart can help you avoid impulse buying and overspending. Make a shopping list before heading to the store and stick to it. By planning your meals in advance and buying only what you need, you'll not only save money but also reduce food waste. It's a win-win. DIY whenever possible. Embrace your creativity and tackle do-it-yourself projects whenever possible. From home repairs and gardening to crafting and gift making, doing things yourself can save you a significant amount of money. Plus, it's a fun way to learn new skills and personalize your living space. Prioritize quality over quantity. When making purchases, remember that quality often trumps quantity. Investing in durable products may initially seem more expensive, but they tend to last longer, saving you money in the long term. Avoid falling into the trap of buying cheap, low-quality items that need frequent replacement. And there you have it, our top 10 simple and effective money-saving hacks. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, improving your financial well-being is a journey, and every small step counts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Be sure to follow these 10 simple and effective money-saving hacks to achieve your financial goals. With a little effort and commitment, you have the power to transform your financial future. Happy saving!